see some drippage, y'all. I see some drippage from here. This coolant hose that goes to the engine block. All right, let's get this show on the road. Pop this. And when you're working on a car, everything seems simple, right? Let's see how simple this is going to be. Hoping it does. Shout out to AutoZone, who gave me the hose super quick. These holes look a little small though. All right, let's get to it. Simple. All I need is a flathead screwdriver. Oh, the clips. Man, these clips are rusty. Probably need to change the clips out eventually. Getting it in. How in the heck we gonna get this thing in here? Just getting it out was crazy. All right. All right. Let's slide this in. This. Oh, is it too big? No, don't tell me this is too big, y'all. Got a kink in it. All right, maybe I gotta slide it back a little bit more. As much as I can. All right. Man, let's try it. Oh man, it still has a kink in it. Let's see what happens when I put it all the way on. Man, I'm upset about that, man. I got a kink in it. It's on here. It's sliding. It is sliding. But it still has a kink in it. I am not happy with that. Not at all. Yeah, it's supposed to be a little smaller. A little smaller, y'all. Try to tighten it up just to see if it still leak. Then I'm gonna button it up a bit more afterwards. But I just want to see if it's still leak. Alright y'all, when this one comes, I don't think I'm gonna install it yet. I mean, it's not leaking. I may just keep it in the car just in case it ever goes out on me. I mean, it got some cracks in the holes. Got some cracks in it. You can see it. Small cracks. Think about the age, how old it is, but it's not leaking, so I may just keep that part inside the car just in case it ever blow all on me while I'm out on the road. I can swap it out. Other than that, y'all, looks like we're good. Alright, here we are. This is probably the best I can get it. I cut a little bit off the radiator holes. Not a lot, just a little bit. Just so it can unkink just a little bit. But tighten it up just to make sure it don't leak again. On either side of the clamp, because I know the clamps are old and kind of rusty. But yeah, there we have it. Looks like we all good. In case y'all wondering, I took off about 1/4 inch. It wasn't a pretty cut, as y'all can see. But I took off roughly about almost 1/4 of an inch. Got the fans on, wanted to run it a bit. Try to warm up. Fans are good. Nice and tight over there as well. Don't want to get hot. Just have to make sure there's no more leaks. And we are nice and locked up, y'all. Good. Alright, y'all. Next up is the chrome trim for the bumper. Now the only thing, yeah, this chrome trim here is dull. I'm not sure if I have enough for the front, back, and these little side pieces, but we'll see. I'm gonna start with the back. Cleaned up the area. Got all the glue off. Now I didn't take off again these side pieces, but it's cool. Sorry about that, y'all. Had to switch out the GoPro battery. Dying. God on me. So I'm gonna line it up as fast as I can. The bottom. Started a little bit closer right here, but it's all good. Looks a lot better though. What y'all think? I still got enough for the front. You see how I tucked it in there? All right, y'all. On this side, same thing, but I'm gonna try to tuck it up in there. Cleaned it off the best that I could. on both sides. I'm gonna let this side dry, but let's see how it turns out. Let me turn the camera back on once I'm done. All right, we got one side in. How it look, y'all? Let me know how it look. I still ain't peel the tape. This little plastic protection off. What y'all think? How do we look? That's how the old one look. The front not too bad. All right, let's hit the other side. All right, there's the other side. We all done. All done. I'll peel one of the sides off just to see. Let's see. Let's peel this off. I don't know if y'all can see it. The little layer of plastic that's on this trim. Ooh, now it comes alive. Little piece inside here. We ain't gonna worry about that. I'll get that out a little later. Off camera or something. But how's it looking, y'all? If y'all stuck around for the video, be sure to give me a like, subscribe as well. But we are looking good, y'all. We looking good. Front and rear trim is on. All right, I'll see y'all on the next video. As I always say, stay positive, stay motivated. Salute.